He's 22. He has never appeared on camera. He has never written a script by hand. He has never edited a video himself. And last month, his videos were watched 2 million times, every single day. He made between $40,000 and $60,000 in 1 month from content he didn't make. I'm going to show you exactly how he did it, why almost nobody has connected the dots on this yet, and why the window to do the same thing is sitting wide open right now, but not for much longer. His name is Adavia Davis. He's 22 years old. He dropped out of college, and he built what people in this space call a faceless YouTube empire. Multiple channels, none of them with his face on screen. Almost all of the content generated by AI from start to finish. Scripts written by AI. Voiceover generated by AI. Footage assembled automatically. The whole production pipeline, from idea to published video, costs him about $60 per video to run. $60 for a video that can generate thousands in ad revenue. His operating costs across his entire network of channels, paying small teams to oversee everything, run at about $6,500 a month. His revenue last month was somewhere between $40,000 and $60,000. You do that math, and you're looking at profit margins of 85 to 89%. Those are margins that would make most tech companies embarrassed. Now, here's the part that nobody is talking about openly. This isn't one person who got lucky. Researchers at a video editing company called Kapwing analyzed YouTube and found that AI-generated faceless content channels have collectively, across the platform, accumulated over 63 billion views, 221 million subscribers, and an estimated $117 million a year in advertising revenue. So how does it actually work? Because this is where it gets interesting. The model is simple in a way that feels almost unfair once you understand it. You pick a niche: finance, history, self-improvement, AI news, true crime, anything with consistent search volume and an audience that watches regularly. You use AI to research and write a script on a topic in that niche. You use a tool like 11 Labs to generate the voiceover in seconds. You pull stock footage from free libraries. You assemble it in a free editor. Total time per video for someone who knows the process, 2 to 3 hours. For someone using more advanced automation like Davis does, 18 minutes. For a video that sits on YouTube earning money for years, and an estimated $117 million a year in advertising revenue. Let me show you the numbers on what that actually looks like at different scales. A small channel in a finance or AI niche, 10,000 views a month, earns somewhere between $100 and $500 monthly from ads alone. That same channel at 100,000 views, $1,000 to $5,000. At 1 million views, $10,000 to $50,000. And the content that got you to 1 million views is still sitting there, still earning, still growing. Davis didn't build one channel, he built several. Each one a separate income stream, each one running on the same automated system. That's how you get to $60,000 a month. So what does starting actually look like? Week 1, pick one niche: finance, AI news, or self-improvement. The 3 highest CPM niches right now. Skip gaming and entertainment. Go where the viewer has money and wants to learn. Week 2, AI writes your first 3 scripts. 11 Labs handles the voiceover. Pexels, the footage. CapCut, the edit. Publish all 3. Week 3. Study your analytics. Click-through rate tells you if the thumbnail works. Watch time tells you if the content holds. Fix the weaker number. week 4. You're not making money yet. Nobody is. But you have 3 videos, real data, and a system. More than 90% of people who start a channel ever get to.
Davis started this at an age where most people are deciding what to study. He's 22 and clearing $60,000 a month because he ignored that feeling and started anyway. The information you need is free. The tools are free. The platform is free. What you do with the next 30 days is the only variable left. Next week, I'm breaking down the exact niche inside this model that has the highest CPM and the lowest competition right now. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And comment below, what's stopping you from starting this week? I read every single one.